Is it possible to dynamically create local variables in Python? Is it possible to create a local variables with Python code given only the variable's name, a string, so that subsequent calls to xxx in locals will return true? Here's a visual. For what purpose I require this trickery is another topic entirely. Thanks for the help.
If you really want to do this, you could use exec. Of course, anyone will tell you how dangerous and hackish using exec is, but then so will be any implementation of this trickery.
You can play games and update locals manually, which will sometimes work, but you shouldn't. It's specifically warned against in the docs. If I had to do this, I'd probably use exec. But 93 times out of 100 you really want to use a dictionary instead.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.